Hey guys, this is Birdie from the Young Sportsmen, and today we are going to be naming birds. This one here is called the Speckback Bluebill. Okay. And this one's called brownhead duck. Okay. Also known as the bloody stomach duck. Okay. This here is the very beautiful ring-necked mallard drake too. This is the mohawk duck. It's a mohawk duck. It has a golden eye too. Pretty cool duck. Okay. Here we have another mohawk golden eye duck. Here we have a hen Gatty McFatty. Okay. Ooh, alright. We have another Drake ring-necked mallard. Here is what we call the neat-necked bluebill. Here's another Drake ring-necked mallard. Here we have the broken wing bluebill drake. Okay. Also, it has that red patch. It was white, but thanks so many ring-necked mallards. And here we have another broken wing bluebill. Okay. Here we have the bird I forgot the name to. Okay. Ooh yeah, right here we have another mohawk goldeneye. See that? Oopsies. Okay. We have another mohawk goldeneye. Oh yeah, dude. This is what we call the snow goose. Okay, this is what we call the Canadian snow goose. We call it the Canadian snow goose because it had a white patch on its head right there, but it just got all covered in blood. Okay, so it's just the Canadian goose for now. Then we have two more mohawk goldeneye. Okay. And then we have the white patch face bird. Okay. And then we have the mohawk widgeon. Hen mohawk widgeon. And then we have another hen mohawk widgeon. Chink, yeah. Here's another one. Okay. Oh yeah, here is what we call the Drake mohawk widgeon. Okay. Yeah. And then we have 3 more. Aha, here's what we call the broken bill Gatty McFatty. Anyway, so here what we call the small wing bird. Okay. The wing is small. Just not as small as the hen bufflehead wing. Okay. And then here we have they're just a baby pintail. See that? Okay, this is also known as a hen widgeon. Also has that little hair on top. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.